about 3 inches below this light right here. And what I want you to do is I want you to take and tell me what you see floating. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Here we go.
Well, yeah.
Is that amazing? You know what? That's only 10% of what's really there. 90% of it is so small you can't see it with the naked eye. Knowing that, would it be safe to say that you've got a problem?
Yes.
You ever kind of wonder where your allergies are coming from?
Yeah.
Your stuffed up nose in the morning? That scratchy throat that you've got right now? That's where it's coming from. Because that's what you do when you're laying on your back and you're breathing it all night long. That's why you wake up in the morning with a stuffed up nose. Here's where all your allergies and all your breathing problems come from. Okay, now when you see it floating around like this, what do we call it? Dust. Okay, now when it comes out of your furniture, basically it ends up being a blizzard of dead skin. Okay, now when it comes out of your carpet, what do you call that?
Nasty.
Isn't that? But see, what is that stuff? It's pet dander, it's mold spores, it's pollen, it's dust mites, it's fleas, ticks. You guys don't smoke, you don't have a fireplace. Paint, plastic, rubber, nylon, wood, and fiberglass. That's basically what you're breathing. You've heard of a dust mite. You can leave it off.
Okay.
What you've got right there is they float around on that dust you see floating around, and basically what they do is they eat dead skin and then they poop. See, what the doctors are saying is mite dung, unfortunately, the allergen that produces the familiar sneezing and coughing and allergy symptoms, and they're basically they float around and that's what you're breathing. And that's what it's in the air.
I can smell it.
Yeah, I'm burning it. Okay, now you've driven down a, turn that light on.
Yep.
Now you've driven down a dry road on a sunny day, and there's just tons of dust, and it starts raining halfway down the road. Now there's no dust. Because basically wet dust can't fly. Mother Nature uses rain to clean the outside air we breathe. It rains, it snows, it sleets, or it dews. That's how Mother Nature cleans the air outside. Well, we've always known that. When's the air the cleanest? Early in the morning. You wake up and it's a beautiful sunrise. The sky's just crystal blue. And then what do we do all day long? We stir up dust. Everybody stirs up dust. And then you look at a sunset and it's a pretty orange. That's everything, all the pollutants that we've stirred up all day long. Then you wake up the next morning and it's gone. Then you come back at night and it's there. You wake up the next morning and it's gone. Why? Because we have something called a dew point. There's that little bit of dew, and as soon as it gets damp, it cannot fly anymore. And that's how Mother Nature cleans the air outside every single day. How are you cleaning the air in your house?
I'm not.
I can tell.
Yeah.
And there's your allergies. There's your problem. Okay, we use water to clean our valued belongings. The most advanced cleaning system in the world is the rainbow. One page. So what we're going to do, we're going to talk about wet dust can't fly, the power of water. Basically what we have is aerodynamics and hydrodynamics. Basically we're going to take air and water and bring it to the water, and we're going to clean the air in your house. Okay, you ready? Let's get started.